Hi everyone, it's Joanna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on the link. I film videos about planners. I film hauls, stationery hauls, fashion hauls, plus size hauls because I'm a UK size 16, and vlogs from Greece whenever I have the opportunity. At least once a week there is a planner or stationery related video. So if that's what you enjoy, please consider subscribing to my channel. So this week's Plan With Me video is going to be featuring Bella Planella, which is a UK store, Etsy store, and I purchased 2 kits. I'm going to show you the kits and then I'm going to show you which one I'm going to use to do this Plan With Me video. I'm using the Wild Styled Deluxe Planner. So this is the Alice's Tea Party kit. So these are the boxes. Then there are some, what do you call these? Stickers. Then we have these washi tape strips. Then we have different headings. These are the stickers you can stick all over the place. I need to be very careful with the D's because last time I used a kit, I lost my D from the word weekend. Then it has this really pretty washi tape, and I'm going to use these for sure. And then you have these, which are really pretty, and these are the icons that will go in the planner. So if you want to see how I'm using, this is not going to be a very long video because I don't have that much time. So I'm going to be showing you different stages of the planning, and yeah, but do get a cup of coffee because you might need it. Relax and let's begin the planning process. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start with are these date covers. So I'm going to put them on the top. And then I have date numbers. I think I saw somewhere the date numbers. So I'll add them. Oh yeah, they're here. They're on the same paper. So I'll add them there. And then I'm going to go in with these. But I haven't decided 100% sure if I should use these. If I should use these sticker covers, whatever they're called, pictures, on the bottom row or the middle row. I'll have a think. First I'm going to put on the date covers though, just so you have an idea. Okay, so this is the top. I think it looks really pretty. And so they're not round, the dates. They are like, you take them out and they're like little numbers. So they're quite tricky to stick on your paper, but yeah. So I've done that. Now I really need to think hard. Where do I put these and where do I put this one? Because I really like this sticker as well. So I need to decide. Decisions. Okay, so let me show you what I did here. Because these are more for Erin Condren planner books, I guess, planners, I used this little washi tape and I put it at the top, but I still have a little gap, and I think I'm going to use this underneath the gap to cover up. Now, my thought process, I'm colourblind, so I don't know how the colours are. It would be really useful if sticker shops actually put the colours in their boxes. This is just for, if you have an Etsy store, guys, please write colours. It's really helpful. So I just thought that this is light, so I was trying to go from a darker colour to a lighter colour, and that's what I've done here. So again, this to me is dark, light, dark. So that's how I went. And now I'm going to use these washi tapes thingies to put them in, and then I might go in with boxes. Let's see. Oh, I might have made a boo-boo, but let's see. I cut this in 2 so I can stick it down here. I'm going to show you in a minute. Oh, let's hope this works. Okay, so update. At the top, I put these little boxes, these little, what are they called? Like mini boxes. Please let me know because I'm not a very good planner lady. So I realized that I only had 4, so I put 2 on this side and 2 on this side, and then I put these little ones, the other color there. My description is really bad, sorry. Then I added 1 more sticker box there with like icon, just a decorative box, and another box there. Then I added the listing boxes here. As I said, I cut that in the middle so it's one side here, one side here. Ideally, I would have liked to put it here and just use my puncher to punch a hole, but I had already taken the sticker off the paper, so that would have been a disaster. Then I have the other sticker boxes here, and now I need to figure out what I'm going to put in these boxes. I want to use these. I think I'm going to use these. I'll see. And then what else do I have left? I've got lots of these left, and I have 1 or 2 of these still left. So let's see what I'm going to do. So I used the medium size box, and then I put the little washi strips under it. So I'm going to do the same with these. I only have 4 though, so I need to figure out what I'm going to do. Probably use some of these as well. Let's see. This is the progress so far. Here we have the glittery ones. As I said, guys, I'm colorblind. I don't know if these colors are the same or different, but anyway. And here I've been adventurous. I put the little box here, and then the washi. I'm going to finish this. I haven't here. I really like this one. I put this one here, and then this one here, and I'm just going to continue filling in these with these stickers and these half boxes and washi tape, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Yeah, if you have an Etsy store and you'd like to share your link down in my comments section, feel free. Write about yourself. If the owner of Bella Planella, I think she's a subscriber, can you please leave a comment, link your shop, maybe tell us a little bit about this planner kit, so because it would be really nice. Yeah, so feel free in my comment section to promote your stores. Sharing is caring. Okay, so I've done lots of things, and this is what it's looking like. So I added the weekend here, and then I added some things that are going to be happening on these days, and I'm going to use my pen in a bit. The only box I haven't used is here, so I'm going to see what I'm going to do with that. And yeah, this is my spread. As I said, apologies if the colors are random, but if you were colorblind, you'd probably understand. But I like it. I think it looks pretty. I'm going to use my pen in a bit, and then I will finish off this plan with me. I still need to put things here, and I still have these stickers which I really want to use, so I'll see how I'll use them. Let's see. So this is the spread from up high, and Bella Planella, and my glasses, and I tried to make it look a bit, you know, Instagrammy. Anyway. Okay, so I finished my spread. I'm going to use pen, maybe not, I don't know, maybe later or not. I don't know, I kind of like this spread, and I don't have that many things going on, so, and I just enjoy, you know, putting the stickers on to relax. So this will be a no pen plan with me, and yeah. I asked my partner, so are the colours completely random? He said, no, they have something in common. They're all pastel-y colours, so I guess it will be okay. But you can see the kit, and you can, you know, colour coordinate if this is not your thing. Thanks so much for watching. Please consider subscribing. If you have an Etsy store, let us know this in the comments section what you have. If you want to contact me, my email is in the description box. If you want to connect with me, guys, my name is @mypinkrambles on Instagram and Twitter. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Stay safe. Yasas. Yasas is. bye in Greek. So, bye.